Добрый день, меня зовут Себастьян Ланг. Я работаю в университете имени Otto von Guericke в Magdeburге, в Германии. Я не очень хорошо говорю по-русски, поэтому сейчас я продолжаю на английский. Yes, that was a little introduction to myself in Russian language. I hope, but I don't think that I pronounced everything correct. I just started to learn your language maybe 2 months ago, so there's still a lot of potential for improvements. And until the Forum in February, I definitely aim to increase my Russian skills. And of course, I will also give a presentation at the Forum, but in English language. The title of my presentation will be Machine Learning in Transportation Planning, Opportunities, Challenges, and Future Perspectives. And if I talk about transportation planning, I actually refer to the underlying optimization problem, the vehicle routing problem, which is a highly complex and highly difficult to solve optimization problem. If you are dealing with vehicle routing problems, you are actually dealing with two optimization problems parallel. So first of all, you have a certain number of vehicles which you have to assign to different delivery areas. And in the second step, you have to determine for each vehicle an optimal route, respectively a sequence on how to approach the single destinations with your vehicle within your delivery area. The state of the art to solve vehicle routing problems is to deploy iterative working approximative optimization algorithms, as for instance meta heuristics. And the benefit of those algorithms is that they can come up with pretty good solutions, but on the other hand they have also a major drawback, and this is computational time. Depending on the size of the problem, so respectively on the number of decision variables, it can take a lot of time until such an algorithm finds a solution which is feasible and which fulfills certain quality criteria. And at our university, we see some trends in the transportation, which indicates that there will be a demand for new optimization algorithms or new algorithms which are able to solve vehicle routing problems in real time. For instance, in some cities, you can already see now that companies deploy autonomous mobile robots in order to deliver goods, groceries, or other articles from the company directly to the customer. And those robots are acting independently. So all in all, you have a highly decentralized logistics system with a lot of decentralized decisions and therefore highly frequent state changes in your system. And as a result, if you would run, for instance, a meta heuristic and calculate over several hours a solution on how to deploy your vehicles, then as soon as you have your solution, the solution will be probably outdated because the state of your logistics systems, respectively the input data of your optimization problems, has already changed. And our solution or our idea is to use machine learning, especially reinforcement learning, to estimate an optimal or a close optimal solution, depending on given inputs. So the inputs can be any data which you can derive of your logistics system. So maybe characteristic of customer orders or characteristics of your vehicles, attributes of your logistics systems, and so on. And we want to use those data streams to indicate how to deploy our vehicles and how to prioritize customers to a current point of time. Yeah, that will be the topic, and it will be my first visit at the Forum in Moscow. Yeah, I never was in Moscow before. Of course, I hope to improve my language skills there, but I'm also looking forward to meet with experts of logistics and of computer science to discuss my ideas. I say bye and see you on the Moscow International Logistics Forum in 2020.